Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the error code 0x800431103. An unexpected error is keeping you from deleting the file. If you continue to receive this error, you can use the error code to search for help with this problem. With the error code 0x800431103, no error description available. And one possible reasons for this error is a bug or a glitch. So I would suggest to save and close out of any open programs and applications and then attempt to delete the file again. It likely is just being used by a different program. If that didn't work, and do these solutions. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung services and click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa services and services local, and then kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows search. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down at hanapin natin dito yung Windows search. Okay, so ito siya. So kapag nakita mo na, and then select mo lang, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click at pop up itong kanyang Windows search properties. So dito lang sa general and dito lang sa startup type, so i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito yung disabled, and then dito naman sa kanyang running ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung stop. Okay, so click mo lang yung stop, and then click mo lang dito yung yes, and then wait natin. So once na-select mo na dito yung kanyang settings, and then click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so in other solution na pwede natin gawin is dito lang ulit sa search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung control panel, and i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito lang sa category, makikita mo dito sa right side, and then click mo lang yung arrow na yan, at kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung large icon para makita mo lahat yung settings. So click mo lang yan. And next step, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows Defender Firewall. So click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And next step, so makikita mo dito yung customize settings for each type of network. And then ang kailangan lang natin gawin dito ay i-turn off natin yung Windows Defender Firewall. Okay? So dito sa private network, so click mo lang dito yung turn off. And dito sa public network settings, and then i-turn mo lang dito yung turn off. Okay? So select mo lang yan. And then i-click mo lang dito yung okay dito sa baba. Alright? So once nagawa mo na yan, and another solution na pwede natin gawin. So, dito lang ulit sa search menu, and dito sa search for apps. So, type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag ng command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD, at dito lang sa start menu, at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix error code 0x800431103. No error description available. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.